How to download 8-ball pool. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to download 8-ball pool. Downloading 8-ball pool is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Google Play Store. On your mobile device, locate and tap on the Google Play Store app. Search for 8-ball pool. In the search bar, type 8-ball pool and press enter or search button. Select the game. Find 8-ball pool in the search result. It should be published by miniclip.com. Download the game. Tap the install button. The game will begin downloading and installing on your device. 8-ball pool is the ultimate online billiards game, offering players the chance to showcase their skill and challenge others in exciting pool matches. Open the game. Once installed, you can open the game directly from the Play Store by tapping open, or you can find the 8-ball pool icon on your home screen or app drawer. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can download 8-ball pool. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.